Hello everyone, my name is Stevan Alvaro Mixa. Most people usually call me Alvaro, or you can just call me Al if that is easier for you. So, in this video, I'm gonna explain about these two phonemes in English. The objective of this presentation is to help you understand how to pronounce these sounds correctly and use them in words and sentences. First, let's talk about this phoneme. So, this is the sound, like in the word bird. It is a long sound, not short. You can think of it like saying but smoothly. It is always followed by R, and there is no distinction in American English. To make these sounds, the corner of the lips come in, pushing the lips away from the face. The middle part of the tongue lifts toward the roof of the mouth in the middle. The front of the tongue hangs down but is drawn back a bit so it's not touching anything. Here I am using American English, not British. In American English, we pronounce the R sound clearly. For example, like the word of bird. But when I use the British accent, it will become bird without an R. Okay? So let's take a look at some examples. Bird, word, nurse, learn, and turn. All of these words have the R sound. If you pronounce it in American English, and you will hear the R sound clearly. Here are some sentences with the R sound. The bird learned new words. The nurse turned around quickly. In these sentences, the R sound appears in the word bird, learn, and word and turn. Yeah. So remember, the sound usually written with the letter R, and it sounds like in American English, not British, American English. Okay, next move to the second phoneme. So, this is the sound, also known as the schwa vowel sound. It is the most common vowel sound in English. It is short, weak, and neutral. To make the sound, we just simply relax our mouth. We should not be tensing anything, and our tongue doesn't need to do anything. We just open our mouth a little bit and just make a sound like that. So move to the examples. About, banana, teacher, sofa, support. You can see the sound. The sound usually appears in unstressed syllables. Syllables that are not emphasized when we speak. About, banana, teacher, like that. And here are some sentences with an sound. A teacher has a banana. The sofa is very comfortable. In each sentences, the schwa sound appears in the weak syllables, making the speech sound more natural. To conclude, understanding the difference between and sound is very important for English learners. These sounds appears in many common words, and pronouncing them correctly help us sound more natural and fluent. Mastering these phonemes also improves our listening skills because we can recognize native speaker more easily. So, learning these two sounds is a small thing, but it makes a big difference in speaking English clearly and more confidently. Thank you for watching my video and see you next time.